What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and I know it's been a long time since I did a face-to-face video, but I just thought that I would share this information with you guys. I just got 3 free gift cards in the mail by using this method. And so I want to show you guys how I did this, and like literally no gimmicks, free gift cards. I'll open them right now and show you guys. It's number 1. As you can see, $50 Shell gift card. Number 2, $25 Starbucks gift card. And number 3, $50 to Chili's, which I'm about to go and enjoy this right now. But yeah, so how I got these free gift cards. What I did was I applied to several different credit card companies. One in specific, Capital One Venture One credit card, an amazing credit card. And their sign-on bonus is that if you spend $500 within 3 months, you get 20,000 reward points that you can use for Amazon, you can use towards flights, you can use towards gift cards, you can use towards just about anything, entertainment, dining, you name it. And so that is what I did, guys. And I'm not just out here using credit cards all willy-nilly. That's not what I'm telling you to do. What I'm telling you to do is that if you want to take advantage of this awesome, it's not even really a secret, but a lot of people don't know about it. But this awesome thing is, what you're going to do is you apply for this credit card. And I actually have a link in the description box below that will allow you to apply for the credit card. And what you're going to do is use this credit card to pay your bills, not just go swiping, shopping, using money, or using this card and spending money you don't have. Don't do that. Use the credit card to pay bills that you already are going to pay anyway. And so use a credit card, and then 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks before your billing statement comes out, you need to pay this off so that you don't accrue any fees. You don't want any interest fees racking up. You want to simply use the card and pay it off as soon as possible. I wouldn't even say 2 weeks. I would say as soon as they make it available for you to pay it off, and you get all these free gift cards like I got. The proof is in the pudding. All these free gift cards, paying bills that I would normally pay with my debit card, just using my credit card, racking up all these reward points, and now I can go to some of my favorite places for free. $50 to Chili's, not out of my pocket. I'm doing this through Capital One, and it's so amazing. You don't have to do this with a Capital One credit card. You can do this with American Express. You can do this with Chase. You can do this with Amazon credit cards. It literally is like any credit card that has a reward point system, and you think it's good enough to use to receive rewards. You know, you checked out, do your research. First of all, I know I'm all over the place. Do your research on these credit cards. And guess what, guys? This Capital One Venture One credit card does not have any annual fees. No annual fees. I'm not paying every year $100, $200, $300. No, I simply applied for this credit card, spent the $500, got 20,000 reward points, and now I have 3 free gift cards that I'm going to go use. And so if you do this, if you can have the discipline to do this, to maintain this lifestyle, I would say the sky's the limit. You could get so many points. I have a Hilton credit card that I just got through Amex, 80,000 reward points, just by spending $2,000 within 6 months. $2,000 of money that I'm already going to use on bills. I'm not, like I said, I'm not just going racking up money. I'm not just going using these credit cards for frivolous things. I'm paying my bills, paying them off, and using the points to get free stuff. You're using these credit cards for a personal gain, really, not to rack up debt and mess up your credit, but to receive. And so I wanted to share this with you guys because I think it's an awesome thing. I wish more people knew about it. Yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section below. Also, I have a link for the Capital One Venture One credit card if you want to sign up for that, if you want to apply for that. The link is down below. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.